I hope you are ready for this breaking crypto news. First up, massive corporate adoption in Decentraland and the metaverse. Taco Bell redefines the future of love with metaverse wedding package. They're creating a replica of the brand's Las Vegas wedding chapel and cantina in Decentraland. They're joined by brands like Patron, like Mountain Dew, like Netflix. Massive corporations are adopting Decentraland as a marketing tool. They're like sheep. They all just crowd in one direction once they realize something works. And right now, Decentraland works. It does not get more revolutionary than this. To see all this adoption, we will stay on top of this. There's some serious stuff going on with Decentraland and the Sandbox metaverse. Now let's take a look at what's going on with Algo. Here is an update. One of the reasons that Algo has been so successful is because they were able to raise billions of dollars from Wall Street. And one of the reasons they were able to do that is because Anthony Scaramucci is one of their spokespeople. He is a Wall Street insider. Well, he just wrote this book. He's deeply connected. The Genius of Algo, Technical Elegance, and the DeFi Revolution by Anthony Scaramucci. I just may read this book for you and distill down and take out the important points and share them with you guys. But in the meantime, this is what the back cover says. In the universe of cryptocurrencies, Algo stands out as one of the best long-term blockchain protocols for the future. Anthony Scaramucci is deeply connected. Just look at all the attendees of the SALT conference that he puts on. It's like world leaders. It is absolutely massive, very early stage, very exciting. Here's an update from Chainlink, always bringing you guys these weekly stats. August 22 to August 28, last week, they had 14 integrations. Proof of reserve, verifiable random function, price feeds, keepers. This automates smart contracts. This provides random number generation services. This audits and assets proof of reserves. It does an audit and make sure that they actually have what they say they have. And so that would be one big month or quarter for most blockchain assets, that many deals. This is 1 week. And it's not even their biggest week. And so Chainlink just continues to dominate and become the backbone of the entire crypto and Web3 universe. Crucially valuable blockchain infrastructure. Now let's take a look at this chart. This is showing the price of Bitcoin in gray, and in purple is stablecoin dominance. So when stablecoins are the preferred crypto assets, when they start to dominate, it means people are conservative. They want to take their capital, put it in a stablecoin, ride out the bear market. And what happens in investing is that most people are usually wrong because they all get squeezed at the same time. They all try to leave the same exit at once. They get crowded out. And so just take a look at what happens. Whenever stablecoin dominance reaches a really high like this, is the exact opposite happens. So people got all conservative here. Bitcoin absolutely pumped right into that conservativeness going down. Same thing here. Everyone got conservative, Bitcoin pumped. Same thing here. Everything got conservative. Well, Bitcoin did this little pump. Now, it looks like we're moving back up to people getting conservative. Bitcoin might have a down move. That could be an incredible buying opportunity as this correlates and gets connected once again, right? And so you just want to fade the crowd. But again, you have to stay hedged. Please don't go all in without having a hedge or at least some dry powder, because we're dealing with some serious macroeconomics. Goldman Sachs says the UK will enter a recession in Q4. So that's just one big country. USA, they're saying it may happen as well. And when that happens, assets will crash. And so just remember to stay hedged. Absolutely crucial. Here's one last update. We've been talking about Floki. They're providing their technology, their DeFi liquidity pool technology to a lot of different assets. Well, just today, they partnered up with KuCoin, which is a big blockchain company. KuCoin is using the Floki liquidity locker. They are joined by all these other brands. That's like 11 or 12 in 2 weeks. This is how a snowball starts. This is serious adoption. This is very early stage. Now, Chainlink actually doesn't use Floki services. Floki uses Chainlink services. But this is very exciting. We are staying on top of all this data